Hi guys, it's Ben from Heirloom Pianos. So exciting news, the Albert Hirsch Overdamper is completely restrung finally. So there was a bit of a delay. You might remember I posted a video a couple of weeks ago and it was basically just starting to string the treble part. A bit of a delay getting the strings due to COVID, or the bass strings I should say. So finally they're on. I'll just show you the top of the piano here. So basically everything has been restrung, the V bar has been resurfaced, the actual capo bar has been polished and reinstalled, and we've also adjusted the bearing or the actual angle of that as well. So now we move on to something called chipping. And basically what happens is once the piano's strung, you give the piano a first tune. Now the problem therein lies that the piano can't really be tuned at the moment because there isn't a keyboard or an action in it. So basically we go through and tune everything by plucking the strings. So as you can see at the top, I've put little markers on every note that is an A. And what I'll do is, obviously it's going to be quite an in-depth process, but I'll just run through and tune all of the A's for you so you get a rough idea what it looks like. Okay, so we're ready to go. I've got a few little tools, obviously a tuning fork for measuring pitch, tuning hammer, coil tightener, just so when I'm lifting things up I can tighten the coils so that there's good tension there and they're nice and tidy. And most importantly I have a little plick, or plectrum I should say. So the main goal is not to touch the strings just because oils in your hands can cause corrosion. If we go to A440, it's not really sitting anywhere near pitch, so I'll just go through and show you this one. So